This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, September 9th. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure in the overnight trade as concerns remain about the state of the global economic recovery. However, we have seen prices now recovering to higher on the day with good gains developing in all of the indices. Also, the fundamentals still appear to be bullish on balance, with interest rates still very low, not just here in the US, but overseas as well. So from here, I would expect further gains in the indices today and also over the near term. And in the currency markets, the dollar index coming under a little pressure earlier, some gains in the euro currency after the European Central Bank at their policy meeting today announced a modest tapering of their asset purchase plan. Also, we had ECB President Christine Lagarde indicating that even though there is this tapering, that the accommodative policies will remain for quite some time. So I would have to call this a dovish tapering from the ECB. And in the interest rate futures markets, seeing a little strength at the long end of the curve, namely the 30-year Treasury bond futures. Some strength linked to recent comments from Fed officials, apparently downplaying economic growth in their opinion. In fact, we had Kaplan of the Fed changing his GDP growth to 6% in the third quarter from his previously predicted 6.5% growth. Other policymakers seeming to have some similar comments. Also, several large banks also downgrading third quarter GDP growth. So from here, I think we can see the 30-year Treasury bond futures advancing and ultimately breaking out above downtrend lines. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.